Want to make your own all-natural shampoo with just a few simple ingredients? This easy DIY recipe is gentle on your hair, customizable, and takes only a few minutes to make. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup distilled water, half a cup liquid Castile soap, 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil, 1 teaspoon honey for extra moisture. You can also add a few drops of essential oils. Pour the distilled water into a bottle. Add the Castile soap, carrier oil, and honey. Then add your favorite essential oil. Secure the lid and gently shake until everything is combined. Shake the bottle before each use, since the natural ingredients will separate. Massage the shampoo into wet hair and rinse thoroughly. Keep in mind that natural shampoo won't produce as much lather as commercial shampoos, but it still cleans effectively. If you found this DIY helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, all-natural home recipes.